Yeah, it's interesting in the sense that carrying pain and receiving pain by the brain is a defensive mechanism. It's a warning signal. But it's a very robust system and very basic system, so that, the more complicated things are, the more things can go wrong with them. So in the development of the system as human bodies developed over the years, it's remained a very basic system. And we have negative feedback systems in our bodies for everything. If you just think, of the production of hormones, the body would produce a certain number of hormones, and there are sensors in the blood that will pick up what the concentration of those hormones are. And if there are too many hormones in the blood, there's a negative feedback loop from those sensors that actually subdues the production of the hormones. But with pain, there is no such mechanism, because it has to be a robust and straightforward mechanism. If you have your hand held on a stove plate and it burns, the immediate action is to pull it away. And if you have a negative feedback action that stops that, and there's something wrong with the negative feedback action, you won't remove your hand. But this creates problems, because some of the signals, whilst at the very first instance, they're very useful and alert us to the fact that there's a problem, the chronicity of them and the fact that they go on later becomes pathological and abnormal. So if you've got arthritis of your knee joint, or you've got arthritis of your spinal joint, the fact that the signals 24/7 are just bombarding the brain with signals becomes a problem, and the brain becomes anxious about that at the subconscious level. And that increases our experience of pain. So we need to create our own negative feedback solutions. So that's what we do. And we can switch off those nerves that now are sending an abnormal signal with chemical means and with electrical means. So it's literally stopping harmful signals coming from a part of the body that has a chronic disease and are traveling to the brain and actually causing a acute and then later on a chronic disease process.